Now let us see the formation of a triple covalent bond. As the name is suggesting, triple means 3. So there will be sharing of 3 pairs of electrons in the formation of a triple covalent bond. We'll take the example of nitrogen molecule formation. Nitrogen, as we know, has the atomic number 7. So there are 5 electrons in its valence shell. We can see here in the figure N with 2 electrons in the first shell and 5 electrons in the valence shell. Two nitrogen atoms come closer together. Both have 5 electrons in their valence shell. Because they have 5 electrons in their valence shell, to get 8 electrons, both of these will need 3 more electrons to be donated to its valence shell. Now both the nitrogen atoms are same. Both are in the same condition that both of these require 3 more electrons in their valence shell so as to get the electronic configuration like that of neon. So when they come closer, their orbits will overlap and they will share 3 pairs of electrons. 3 electrons will be shared by each nitrogen atom so as to get the 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So we can see after sharing of electrons, this nitrogen atom has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons in the outermost shell. The second nitrogen also we can say has 2 electrons in the first shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons in the valence shell. Now as I told you, in case of similar kind of atoms which are forming the bond, the electron pairs which are shared will be equally distributed between the two nitrogen atoms. So when they are equally distributed means equal amount of time, the nitrogen atoms, both the nitrogen atoms will have 8 electrons in their valence shell. And as we know that the electrons are very fast moving particles, so these electrons are moving in the valence shell of both nitrogen atoms will have 8 electrons moving at any given time. So nitrogen molecule is formed by sharing of 3 pairs of electrons. So a triple covalent bond is formed and a non-polar covalent bond is formed when nitrogen molecule is formed. I hope you understand the single covalent bond formation, double and triple covalent bond formation, and you also have understood what is the meaning of non-polar covalent molecule. Non-polar means when the electron pairs which are shared, maybe 1, 2 or 3 electron pairs which are shared are equally shared between the participating atoms, giving rise to equal amount of time that the electrons are with any given atom at any given time. So both the nitrogen atoms or the participating atoms will have no charge developed on them. No charge means non-polar covalent bond.